Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this WordPress video, we will understand how to add custom CSS on your WordPress website so that you can customize any kind of styling element using custom CSS. Now, in order to add custom CSS, the easiest method is either you can go to Appearance and click on Customize, or you can directly go to the website and there is a Customize button on the top bar as well, but this will only be visible when you are logged into your WordPress website. So click on this Customize button. And once you click on this Customize button, you will see an option called Additional CSS on the bottom part, Additional CSS. Just click on this Additional CSS. And now here you can say, you can add your own CSS here. Click on the help icon, this. So it means whatever custom CSS you want to add, you can place it here. Now, for example, I want to change the color of this paragraph or the content which is mentioned on my website inside the p tag. So for example, I give it a custom CSS, that is p tag will have the color in terms of yellow. Color in terms of yellow. Now, as soon as I changed the color to yellow for all the p tags, you can see the color is changed, but I have not published it. Once I am sure that I want to save the changes, I can click on publish. Same way, if I want to change the font size for, let's say, these headings, that is H1 or H2. So I will just simply mark H1 and then I'll say font size. Then let's say I want to make it 50 pixel. If it is H1, then it will be changed. If it is not H1, let's say it is H2, then it will be changed. But if it is not H2, then it will not make an impact. If I want to add the same thing in this p tag, you can see since it was in p tag, the font size is changed. If I want to make it reduce, let's make it 30 or let's make it 20, right? And then if I want to font decoration, for example, so not font decoration, font family. So I want to change the font family. So I can say Poppins, right? So you can also Google for the font families which you want to add. So font family CSS, so that you get the exact name of the font families. So right now, let's say here we have many font families. So I search for font family in CSS, Poppins, right? And for Poppins, the name of the font will be here. So you can just copy, this is the name of the font. So you can just copy the font family, go back here, change it, and then semicolon, right? Sans serif, of course, you need to add it, but you can add the custom CSS here for any element or overall website that you want to make changes in. And this is the easiest way. In case you are not able to see this option, in case you are not able to see this customize option on here or maybe here, if you are not able to see this option, then the second method is you need to install a simple plugin. So go on to plugins, click on add new plugin, and here you will say CSS block. You will add CSS block. So click on CSS block and you will see multiple options, right? And here you will say simple custom CSS and JS. Just install this plugin, and once the installation is done, you can simply activate this plugin, and this plugin will give you a space where you can actually add your custom CSS and JS. So once it is activated, now here you will go to Appearance. Now after installing and activating, there's an option called Custom CSS and JS. Now click on this, and here you can add a CSS code, JS code, or HTML code. So I want to add CSS code. So click on CSS code, and now you can give this file a name, and you can add the CSS file here. But this is only recommended when you are not able to see the customize button, which is inbuilt in WordPress, and that additional CSS section is inbuilt in WordPress. So I will always recommend to use that section only. So guys, that's how you can add the custom CSS in your WordPress website without any problem, step by step. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.